You can set up and maintain separate sites for your various businesses and projects, each with their own billing subscription, all from one Squarespace account. This way, you can access all your sites using the same login. To do this, first decide which Squarespace account you want to be the owner of all your sites. Invite that account as a contributor to the site you'd like to transfer. Log out of that site's owner account, then accept the contributor invitation. Log back in and transfer site ownership. Then repeat these steps for each site you'd like to transfer over. If you're a contributor to 3 or more sites, you can join Squarespace Circle, a program designed to support, inspire, and engage the community of creatives, developers, and designers who use Squarespace and its suite of products to build beautiful online presences for themselves and their clients. Please let us know if you have any more questions. We're always here to help.